Welcome back to the Walnut. Today let's take a look at the profit and loss area. So the basics of profit and loss. So here the two terms which is really important in profit and loss, one is cost price and the other one is selling price. The cost price, let's say a dealer, a shopkeeper, he bought a product for a certain rupees. So in this case, example, the cost price, it's a price at which the shopkeeper buys the product, and the selling price is the price at which he sells the product. So he buys it for 100 rupees and he sells it for 120 rupees. So the profit here is 20 rupees. 100 and 120, the difference is 20. The profit is 20 rupees. So what is the profit percentage? So most of the questions, profit and loss, the questions will be asked to find the percentage, profit percentage, or if it is a loss, what's the loss percentage, those kind of questions. So here, 100 and 120, the difference is 20, and what's the cost price? 100. So, well, 20 rupees profit. That 20 rupees profit based on what? The cost price. Cost price is 100. So 20 by 100. 20 by 100 is what? Probably you remember what we have done in percentages type of questions, right? So this is, convert that into a fraction. So 20 by 100 is 2 by 10. 2 by 10 is what? 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is what? 1 by 5 is what kind of percentage? It is 20%. Right? Or in simple, we know that if it is 100 and if it is 120, well, that difference is what? Based on 100, that 20 difference is 20%. Pretty simple. So this case, the cost price is 80 and the selling price is 100. So the difference is what? 20. And that 20 rupees is the profit. What's the profit percentage? So that 20 over 80. 80 is the selling price. So when you calculate the profit percentage, that is based on the cost price. So here we have 20 profit and the cost price is 80. So 20 by 80, so that's 2 by 8. 2 by 8 is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, what kind of percentage? 1 by 4 into 100. That is 25%. That's a simple way of calculating the profit percentage. So here we take another example. A shopkeeper, he sells the product for 250 rupees. So selling price is 250 and his profit percentage is 25. So 25%. He made a profit of 25% by selling it for 250 rupees. So what would be the cost price of the product? Cost price. So we need to calculate the cost price. So what is a quick way of doing it? Either you can convert that into a formula, you can go that way, or in a simple way, we'll just go for trial and error. So let's say the cost price is 200. We are not sure about it. We are just, going for a trial and error. If it is 200, so that's the reason I put a question mark here. So if it is 200, then the profit is, selling price is 250, the profit is 50. And well, if it is cost price is 100, if it is selling price is cost price is 200, selling price is 250. If the cost price is 100, selling price must be half of that, 125. See that? Now, if it is cost price is 100 and selling price is 125, what's the profit percentage? This 25 rupees profit over 100, right? So, well, that is difference. Selling price and cost price difference is 25. That 25 by cost price is what? 100. So what percentage it is? It's 1 by 4, right? 1 by 4 is what? 25%. Pretty simple. If it is 25%, so that is what the question is. If the dealer or the shopkeeper makes a profit of 25% by selling the product for 250 rupees, then what would be the cost price? Say, cost price is what? 200. So we use the trial and error to calculate it. Alright, so what are the other type of questions you may have? We'll take a similar type of example. You know what, a product is sold for 1,200 rupees. That's the selling price. If the dealer makes a profit of 50% in this deal, 50%, what would be the cost price? So we need to calculate the cost price. Think about it. So he sold it for 1,200 rupees. So he made a profit of 50%. So whatever the cost price, that cost price plus half of the cost price will give you 1,200. So think about it. The trial and error method, what would be the possible answer? If you take cost price as 1,000, 1,000 plus 50% of 1,000, that is 500. So then, in order to make the profit of 50%, selling price must be 1,500. That is not the case here. Here we have 1,200. So 1,000 cannot be the cost price. How about like 800? If 800 is the cost price, 800 plus 50% of profit, right? So the selling price must be 50% of 800. How much is that? 400. So 800 is the cost price. Then 800 selling price is 1,200. So what's the difference? It is 400. 400 is 50% of 800. That means the profit is 50%. So this case, if the selling price is 1,200 and if the dealer makes a profit of 50%, definitely the cost price must be 800. Now you just calculate the percentage. Here, what is it? Difference is 400, right? So 400 divided by, how much is that? Cost price, 800. So what do you get? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is what? 50%. So this deal, the dealer makes a profit of 50%. Another one, say a dealer buys a product for 2,000 rupees. 2,000 rupees. And he sold it for 1,900 rupees. Because of some market fluctuation or something wrong with this. So he bought it for 2,000 rupees, that is his cost price is 2,000, then he sold it for 1,900. So what is the percentage of loss or gain? So what is here? Is it loss or gain? Definitely it is loss. So what percentage? Here, take the difference. What is the difference here? 100 rupees the difference. 100 rupee based on what? The cost price. What is it? 2,000, right? 100 divided by 2,000. So that is 1 by 20. 1 by 20 is what? 1 by 20? 1 by 20 of 100. So how much is that? That's 5%. So here the loss is what? 5%. So I would say 5%. So negative sign, 5%. So that negative indicates what? Loss. So here we have what? Loss. So these are, pretty much the profit and loss type of questions. These are the basics of profit and loss, right? So sometimes, these questions can be more complicated. It may be like successive variations. A product, a dealer has a product, he marked it like 40% more than the cost price. Then he allowed a discount of 20%. So the mark price is what? 40% more than the cost price. And he allowed a discount of 20%. Then what is the profit he can make? So think about it. He marked 40% above, then 20% is discount. So what is the profit usually he can make in that deal? So the normal answer come to our mind is what? 40 increase, then 20 decrease. So the profit is what? 20%. But that may not be the case. Let's take an example. The cost price, we can assume the cost price of the product is 100 rupees. And the dealer marked it 40% above the cost price. So the mark price is what? 140. This is mark price. So this is the cost price. What's the selling price? That is, selling price is 20% less than the mark price. So 20% discount on that. So, well, 10% discount is 14. So 20% discount means 28 rupees. So 140 minus 28. So how much is that? 112. So we have a discount of what? 20%. So 20% discount. So that's minus 20. So, well, the selling price would be 112. So 140 minus 20%. 20% is what? 10% is 14. 20% is 28. So 140 minus 28, 112. So this is the selling price. If selling price is 112, then what is the real profit that person makes on that deal? So here cost price is 100, selling price is 112. So what is the difference? 12. So 12 rupees difference based on what? Cost price, 100. So 12 by 100, what percentage it is? It is 12%. The profit he makes on this deal is just 12%. It is not really 20%. In this case, the profit is what? Profit, that is 12%. So that's the case. Alright guys, we'll be back with more complicated questions on profit and loss and many other areas of competitive exams. Thanks for watching. See you next time.